What's up guys, welcome to the real muscle building home chest workout that will help you to build impressive chest, no equipment. As you know, right now I'm in the muscle building process myself, so man, this workout is solo hypertrophy focused. No endurance, none any of this stuff, just pure hypertrophy to get your chest bigger. So guys, we have 4 exercises, 4 levels of difficulty, starting with the hardest and going to the easiest. But man, believe me, even the last one will not feel easy. Each exercise we will do for 1 set, max out, till failure. Then we will rest 2 minutes and then we will go to the next level of exercise. But because we went to the failure on the previous, the new one will feel as hard, if not harder. So I hope you're as excited about this workout as I am. Leave a big thumbs up, drop on the floor, and let's get started.
I can hear the demons call when they do.
First level, legs and arms elevated push-ups. Let's have fun, don't hurry up, feel your chest working on every rep. Of course, on this one guys, you can use powerless if you have one, or you can use just books or some boxes to elevate your
Cause I
hands.
feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but then it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.
2 minutes rest. Now 2 minute rest, man. Get some water, recover, and let's get back to it.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of left, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that.
The next push-ups, legs elevated. Little bit easier because we removed parallels. So right now range of motion will not be as huge as it was, and that's why it will be a little easier. But because it's the second set, man, you will feel
I
it.
know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. So enigmatic and charismatic, gotta live static, gotta get at it, never pragmatic, cause we live tragic. I can't live average, to be alive's magic. Turn it up in the back cause I'm grabbing everything I want, get in my way and I'm stabbing. I'll be moving crowds till I'm 6 feet napping. They need another fix, hooked on like an addict. I got my eyes on the prize and it's changing lives. I wanna live till I die, make a difference, right? I wanna give those in need a reason to fight. I wanna live every day like it's my last night.
I wanna change how we play the game. Rearrange all the pieces till they say my name. Push an agenda against doing what they say. I wanna stand up and start a revolution. I wanna 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 start a revolution.
The next one is double diamond push-ups. Go in the diamond position, a little bit wider, then touch the floor, blow up to the half position, touch the floor again, and then full elbows extension. 1, 2, full extension. 1, 2, full extension.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Which is how you see things. Realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back.
You can feel it. You can feel it after every set.
I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted. So mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you
And here you are, your regular, beautiful push-ups. Don't hurry up, just make every rep count. Chest touching the floor, full extension, and let's work.
You cashed in on my promise.
Man, this is the real workout that will build your massive chest. Now go to sleep, go to eat 3 days, get back here stronger, and let's continue to build massive chest. Also, brother, when you're ready to get your physique to the next level, download my Next Workout app. And right here in the home section, you will find everything you need to turn your body into the freaking beast, even at home. Man, all of these programs, no equipment. Beginner, intermediate, advanced, choose your level, and let's get progress together. Also sections like challenge, dumbbells, and gym workouts. Man, you will not get bored and your physique will progress day by day. Download the Next Workout app, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. God bless.